How to permanently turn off live photos on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the camera application on your device, and now on the top right of your screen you will see the live option. So tap on it to disable live photo from your camera settings. Now go ahead and open the settings application on your device and tap on the camera option. Here, tap on the preserve settings option and you will see the option for a live photo. So go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for a live photo, and now this will preserve the live photo settings rather than automatically being reset to live photo turned on. So this is how you can permanently turn off live photos on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.